Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate in Ultimaker Cura. So make sure your 3D model is loaded on the virtual build plate. Right click directly on the 3D model you want to copy. This pop-up window will appear right here. Now look through the pop-up menu and click on multiply selection. So let's find it right here, multiply selection. You can also simply click the model and press Ctrl M on Windows or CMD plus M on Mac on your keyboard, just like that. Now, what you're going to do is this box will appear here. So number of copies to add, type in how many extra copies you want. So let's leave it here on 1. So if you want 2 total items on your bed, you will leave it on 1. If you want 10 total items, you will type 9, because you also include this one, which is already right here. And now we can press OK. And voila, we have our 2 happy sharks now here on our virtual plate. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.